a message from Peter Hain. I'm sorry I can't be at the demo and send you solidarity greetings. Unite Against Fascism warned of the danger of the election of racist, fascist MEPs to represent Britain. Never before have they had such a platform or public funds for their poison. It is vital to confront the BNP and the Welsh Defence League wherever they organise, and to ensure their policies and activities are opposed. I call on all progressive parties and sections of society, including socialists, liberals, trade unions, churches and students, to set aside whatever other differences we may have and to join with Unite Against Fascism and mobilise a mass movement based upon unity in action to defeat the BNP and its sister organisation. The Anti-Nazi League showed what could be achieved from the late 1970s when we beat the National Front. That is our task now. Let's go for it.